Good medical morning. Today we're going to look at an extreme weight loss and body transformation case starring Instagram sensation Alice Blows. I'm assuming that's not her real name, but if it is, well, that's pretty interesting. I think some of her before and after photos tell the story, as this Melbourne-based fitness enthusiast has lost over 80 pounds and looks amazing. Also, stick around, I'm going to tell you about how I keep the extra pounds off with information about Thynergy at the end of the video. But first, a few pics of Alice. And if you're keeping track, here is her 10-year challenge from ages 14 to 24. Alice claims she developed an emotional binge eating disorder in her late teens, eating 2 family burger boxes a day and 2 blocks of chocolate as her usual nightly routine. Her weight by her 20s was nearly 300 pounds, or 135 kilograms. After a significant body transformation, Alice had this to say to her fans. Let this be a reminder that regardless of what stage of life you're in, you can make a change no matter how small or big. You're worthy of being the best version of yourself. End quote. Great job, Alice. You're an inspiration to over 100,000 followers on Instagram. Kudos. Now, a word about a supplement I use to help train for marathons. It's called Thynergy.
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater Karen Chen. I'm saying hi to Team Thynergy. If there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise, so stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Thynergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.